So how do you know if your Apple Watch is cellular or not? So let me explain that. Let me talk about it. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, first of all, there are some like physical giveaways. For example, the Apple Watch Ultra, all of those are cellular models. So if you have like this one, you don't even have to look it up. And the other like regular series of Apple Watch, some of them have like a straight up red button, the red digital crown, so you can know it by this, or they only have like a red circle around it. So these are a couple of like physical giveaways. But the best way, of course, to know about it is when you either grab the Apple Watch or iPhone. So if you take a look at the watch, you can, for example, go to the control center, and as you can see, this Apple Watch Ultra, which is a cellular model, has the ability to toggle to enable the cellular connection, whereas the other Apple Watch, where I don't have the cellular, and that's only Wi-Fi model, then obviously we do not have that. And similarly, you can also grab the iPhone where you open up the watch app. Naturally, it has to be the phone where you paired the watch, but you go to the watch app like that, and you are going to be able to see the cellular connection and if it's able to be set up or not. And if it's not, then obviously your Apple Watch is not a cellular model. So this is another way to figure it out, but still you can go to the information about your watch right here and see some details, and if it's a cellular, then of course it's going to let you know about that as well. So many ways to figure it out. Depends on whether you have access to just the physical body of the watch, or you can open it up and go through the software, but you can figure it out most definitely if it's a cellular or not. But that would be all from me. I hope I was able to answer that question. For more questions like that, stay tuned for more, and I'm gonna catch you in the next videos too.